Welcome to Future Tech Reviews, where we bring you the latest and greatest in tech. In today's video, we're diving into the top 10 smart home devices you need in 2025. Whether you're looking to make your home more secure, efficient, or just a little more fun, these smart gadgets will take your living space to the next level. We'll cover everything from smart speakers and security cameras to robot vacuums and smart lighting, all designed to make your life easier. Stay tuned for our recommendations, and if you want to grab any of these devices, check out the affiliate links in the description below. Smart device number 1, Amazon Echo, 4th Gen. Price range, $99, $130. Key features: voice assistant, smart home control, high quality sound, Alexa integration. The Amazon Echo 4th Gen is a top-rated smart speaker with built-in Alexa. This speaker offers superior sound quality and a sleek design, making it a perfect addition to any room. It also works seamlessly with other smart home devices like lights, thermostats, and security cameras. Recommendation: ideal for users who are looking to integrate voice control into their homes. Smart device number 2, Google Nest Learning Thermostat. Price range, $120, $250. Key features: energy saving, auto scheduling, remote control via phone app, Google Assistant compatibility. The Nest thermostat learns your temperature preferences and adjusts accordingly. It also helps save energy, automatically adjusting based on your habits and weather conditions. Google Assistant integration allows you to control it via voice command. Recommendation: a must-have for those looking to save on energy bills while keeping their home comfortable. Smart device number 3, Philips Hue White and Color Ambience LED Starter Kit. Price range, $60, $120. Key features: 16 million colors, app and voice control, smart lighting customization. With Philips Hue, you can set the mood with over 16 million colors and customizable light settings. The kit comes with smart bulbs that can be controlled via an app or your voice. Compatible with Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit. Recommendation: perfect for homeowners who want to add a personalized touch to their home's lighting. Smart device number 4, Ring Video Doorbell 4. Price range, $180, $250. Key features: HD video, motion detection, two-way talk, Alexa integration. The Ring Doorbell 4 offers high-definition video, motion detection, and two-way audio so you can communicate with visitors remotely. It integrates with Alexa for voice command control and can send you alerts when someone is at the door. Recommendation: essential for home security and monitoring. Smart device number 5, Arlo Pro 4 Spotlight Camera. Price range, $180, $250. Key features: 2K HDR video, motion detection, night vision, weather resistant. The Arlo Pro 4 offers high-definition video and two-way audio. With its motion detection and night vision, you can monitor your home 24/7. It's weather resistant, so it's great for both indoor and outdoor use. Recommendation: great for those looking for a high-end home security solution. Smart device number 6, ecobee Smart Thermostat with voice control. Price range, $230, $250. Key features: voice control, room sensors, smart home integration, energy saving. The ecobee Smart Thermostat comes with Alexa built-in for voice control. It also includes room sensors that detect temperature changes in different parts of the house, ensuring optimal comfort. Like Nest, it offers energy-saving features. Recommendation: ideal for smart home enthusiasts seeking energy-efficient, customizable temperature control. Smart device number 7, iRobot Roomba i7 Plus Robot Vacuum. Price range, $600, $900. Key features: self-emptying dustbin, smart mapping, voice control, scheduling. The Roomba i7 Plus is a top-of-the-line robot vacuum that self-empties its dustbin. It uses advanced mapping technology to navigate your home and can be controlled via voice commands with Alexa or Google Assistant. Recommendation: perfect for busy homeowners who want a hands-off cleaning solution. Smart device number 8, Sonos One SL. Price range, $180, $200. Key features: superior sound, voice control, Alexa and Google Assistant compatibility. The Sonos One SL delivers superb audio quality and integrates with Alexa or Google Assistant for voice commands. It's perfect for those who love music and want to control their sound system with ease. Recommendation: great for audiophiles looking for premium sound in a smart home setup. Smart device number 9, Casa Smart Plug HS105. Price range, $10, $25. Key features, remote control, scheduling, energy monitoring, voice control. The Casa Smart Plug allows you to control lamps, fans, and other small appliances remotely through an app or voice command. You can also set schedules to automate your home's devices. Recommendation: great for users seeking an affordable way to make existing devices smart. Smart device number 10, Amazon Blink Outdoor Security Camera. Price range, $80, $120. Key features, HD video, motion detection, two-way audio, weather resistant. The Amazon Blink Outdoor Camera offers HD video, motion detection, and two-way audio. It's weather resistant, making it perfect for monitoring the exterior of your home. Recommendation: perfect for budget-conscious consumers who want an affordable home security option. And there you have it, the top 10 smart home devices you need in 2025. If you're looking to upgrade your home with these cutting-edge gadgets, check out the links in the description below for the best deals. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews and smart home recommendations. We'd love to hear which devices you're excited to add to your home, so leave us a comment.